Are you planning to buy a car in 2025 but feeling overwhelmed with choices? Don't worry, you are not alone. With so many options under 10 lakh rupees, choosing the right car that fits your needs and budget can be confusing. But today, I'm going to make it super easy for you. In this video, we will explore the top 5 cars under 10 lakh rupees perfect for daily drives, family outings, and occasional long trips. Everything will be covered from fuel efficiency to comfort, safety, and resale value. So, watch until the end, because your next car might just be on this list. Before jumping to the list, let's quickly understand why cars under 10 lakh rupees are important for Indian buyers. This segment offers the perfect balance between affordability and features. You get the latest safety tech without breaking the bank. Maintenance cost is usually lower, which means peace of mind for years. Lastly, these cars are fuel efficient and easy to drive, making them ideal for city and highway use. So, if you're a first-time buyer looking for an upgrade without spending too much, this is the sweet spot. At number 5, we have the very popular Tata Punch. Why is this car so loved? First, it has a 5-star global NCAP safety rating. Yes, this small SUV ensures your and your family's safety on the roads. It offers a high driving position, giving you SUV-like confidence. With a starting price of around 6 lakh rupees and going up to 9.5 lakh rupees for the top variant, the Tata Punch gives you modern design, decent space, and good mileage. At number 4 is the stylish new kid on the block Maruti Suzuki Fronx. Launched recently, the Fronx brings crossover style with trusted Maruti reliability. It comes with 2 engine options, 1.2-liter petrol and 1.0-liter turbo petrol for those who love spirited driving. In terms of features, Fronx offers a large infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and great mileage too. The price starts around 7.5 lakh rupees and goes up to 10 lakh rupees for the top variant. Taking the third spot is the very impressive Hyundai Exter. Hyundai knows how to make feature-loaded cars, and Exter is no exception. With a bold design, digital instrument cluster, 6 airbags standard across variants, and sunroof in higher trims, Exter makes you feel like you're driving a premium car at a budget price. It also comes with a CNG option if you're looking for super cheap running cost. Price range is 6.5 rupees to 10 lakh rupees. Next is the legendary Maruti Suzuki Baleno at number 2. This premium hatchback has been ruling hearts for years now. The latest version comes with stylish looks, loaded features like a 360-degree camera, heads-up display, and a fuel-efficient yet peppy 1.2-liter petrol engine. Not to forget, Maruti's service network and resale value make Baleno a super smart choice. Price starts at 6.8 lakh rupees and goes up to 9.8 lakh rupees. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is the Tata Altroz, the safest hatchback in India. With a 5-star global NCAP safety rating, solid build quality, and diesel engine options still available, Altroz is the perfect mix of performance, mileage, and comfort. It offers premium interiors, touchscreen infotainment, and fantastic road presence. The price starts at 6.7 lakh rupees and top models go just under 10 lakh rupees. If safety is your priority, Altroz should be at the top of your consideration list. So there you have it. These are the top 5 cars under 10 lakh rupees in 2025 that offer you the best of everything: safety, performance, mileage, and features. Which one did you like the most? Are you Team Punch for its SUV feel, or Team Altroz for safety, or maybe Baleno for smart city drives? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped you make a better choice, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful car guides and